Hey guys, it's Key and it's Key Life Trading. Thanks for tuning in to another video. So today is day 16 of the small account challenge, and I have bad news, guys, to report. So the winning streak has ended today. I'm a little bit frustrated, a little bit upset too as well, and I guess it comes with the game. So what happened was I had a hotkey error, and it sucks that that's the reason why my winning streak has been ended and why I'm in the red today. But I guess it comes with the game, and we just gotta try to make less mistakes and try to not make that mistake happen again. The hotkey messed me up today, guys. I had a good entry, I traded the right stock, but at the end, when it's time to finish, crossing the finish line, I fumbled the bag, guys. I fumbled the bag. So I traded, it was ATXG today. It was going up, it was a previous IPO, and we got a bounce today, and I was trying to take advantage of that, but I basically fumbled the bag. So today I went to my max loss, and after I met my max loss, I called it a day, got away from the computer, and that's what really happened today, guys. So if you guys did good today, put in the comment section. If you guys did bad today, put in the comment section. If I could have done something better that you've seen over my recap, put in the comment section. And let's go, let's chop it up. Let's chop it up, guys. Let's chop it up. But anyway, so I first seen ATXG, a lot of people was talking about it in the chat room, and I looked at it and the pattern looked fine, and as you can see, it looked perfectly fine here. So this is the 5 minute and this is the 1 minute. So when I seen it, it was already going up, and I wasn't sure, you know, I wasn't sure when I was going to enter, but I was waiting for a setup. So finally I seen the little pullback right here, and I was looking for the break of this previous red candle. One of the reasons why I wanted to jump in this trade was because previously all the previous IPOs have been doing well in terms of when it goes down, you will get a decent pop up and you could potentially make some profit. So that's what I was looking to do, right? So the first trade I made on this was at 9:45, around 9:45, right, in this red candle, and I got in at the price of 714, right? Good entry in my eyes, right? So I went in with 300 shares at 714, right? It went all the way up to a high of what, 750, right? So when I seen that it went to a high of 750, I seen that it was hesitating a little bit, right? So what did I do? I pressed limit order to sell on the ask, and I pressed it to sell half, and I thought half was sold, but it didn't get sold because when I looked down, the order was still pending. So I canceled the order, and then I tried to press it again, and it still wasn't getting filled. So after that, the price started to go down. And the reason why I was trying to sell, because once I seen the hesitation, I was predicting that more likely it's going to come back down to do a dip. So that's why I was trying to sell half in the first place. So I can, you know, manage risk, take some profit, you know, lock in some profit just in case if it do fall like how it did right here. At least I could have break even on the day and, you know, take away the profit that I had already secured. And it didn't work out that way. So once I seen that the price wasn't executing my limit order, I tried to sell the bid, and the bid was not executing as well. So what I started to do, honestly, I started to fake panic. And then I tried to put it here to sell on the market, and then what happened was I couldn't sell on the market because the limit order was already generated in here. So I'm clicking here, trying to click market order, and I'm like pressing it. Then finally I pressed sold, and I got a loss. Sold all my shares right here at, well, let's see, I think it was 6.95. So I lost like a 20-cent loss. And I was a little bit upset because all of this could have been avoided if my hotkey was working, or if I was to get filled on basically the limit order that I sent out to be executed. And all that extra fumbling and panicking caused my reaction time to be off, which gave the stock price enough time to basically go against me, right? That was the first trade I took. The second trade I took was around here, anticipating the break here to go higher. I thought it was going to curl, and then I was looking for it to go higher. So I jumped in at 707 with another 300 shares, and then came down and I sold the rest of my position at 675. So like around here. And then as you can see, I'm in the negative 155, which is close to my max loss. Once I hit my max loss, I'm done for the day because I don't want to keep trading and then put myself in a position where I'm doing reckless things, over trading or trying to revenge trade and all that other stuff, right? So I try my best not to go in that route of, overstay my welcome. And I did not want to be in that position where I'm here trying to continue trying to win back my loss, right? So that's really what it was, guys. It could have been avoided. I could have prevented it. It could have been prevented, but it is what it is, right? So tomorrow I will more likely probably be trading depending on if there's any stocks that have any potential. I might not because tomorrow's Friday as well. We know that Friday is a little bit light on volume depending on if there's a hot stock or not. But I might trade tomorrow, and I'm not going to go in tomorrow with the mindset of revenge trading at all, because at the end of the day, I can make this back. I'm not gonna say easy, but it's not hard to get 2 trades and make this back at all. It's $155, but I'm not gonna put myself and break my discipline to go and revenge trade trying to recoup my loss, trying to break even from today's loss. I'm not gonna do that. So if tomorrow I make $20, $30, $5, it doesn't matter. I'm going to keep my composure and trade like a professional. There's no point of revenge trading, because you revenge trade, then you look back like, why did I do that? Then you put yourself more in a cycle of, why did you do that? And then you start messing up, over trading, making silly mistake that you wouldn't have done before. So tomorrow I'm going in focus. If I make $50, at least that would take off $50 off of my loss from today. So I'm not gonna go in revenge trading. I'm gonna stay focused, and that's what I'm gonna do, guys. So it sucks that the winning streak has ended, but it comes with the game, and that's what it is. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Like I said, if you guys want to join the Key Life gang, smash that subscribe button. If you want to show some love, smash that like button. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.